Hey guys, I'm Sunita. I have a camera, so let's do some magic with it.
I love photography and I teach photography. So that we can learn together. With my cameras Nikon Coolpix P500 and Nikon D5300. Indoors, outdoors, people, travel, food, macro, nature. I'm going crazy with this stuff.
But I'm a graphic designer by profession, so let's mix some passion into the profession.
So it can be all about me on my YouTube channel.
So, do you want to learn with me? Subscribe and hit the bell icon. Or come here every Wednesday. See you then.